When you forget yourself, you becomes the whole universe. So are you ready to forget yourself and realize the infinity in you, the God in you? How can you do that? You know, first of all, clear who is the doer in you. Who is someone who wants to do, who wants to become, who wants to create your thought. And thought is the result of our memory, our response of our memory. And memory is always old. You know, the family you are brought up and the school you attend, your whole education, and whatever you learn from the environment, you are that information and nothing else. And this information is making you limited to understand this cosmos, to understand yourself, who actually you are. So the art of letting go, the art of forgetting yourself is the best art of all the arts. You don't have to react over thoughts, whatever the thoughts are coming and going. You don't have to analyze, criticize, judge, confirm. No. Just remain where you are. Just remain where you are. With all your subjective reality and the objective reality. You know, in a subjective way, you have your imagination, you have your illusions, your fear, your anxiety, your stress, and all the story is running in your head, in your mind. And there is a objective reality, which is trees, birds, animals, sky, mountains. So you, in a both realities, the subjective and the objective, the one thing you have to do, don't react. Because whenever you react, you become that. You react to your subjective reality, you become subjective experience. And when you react to your objective reality, you become objective experience. So in all these things, you are becoming. But you don't have to become anything. You have to be just be. Just be with whatever is happening, inner or outside, without reacting. And even without ignoring. You don't have to ignore your fear, anxiety, stress. No. And you don't have to ignore the birds chirping, the beautiful sky. Just be with all these things. Be. Remain. Without any kind of separation. You know what are you doing? By remaining with whatever is happening inside or outside, you are not escaping the life. You are not escaping, you are not creating duality. You are not separating yourself. And when you don't separate from yourself from the life, you become the life. You become this vast cosmos. You become this universe. And then you have nothing to gain and nothing to lose. Because you are in a just be position. You are in a just be space, where everything is functioning on its own. Spontaneity, which is happening. Feasibility, where you are not. And then you realize, whenever you ask your question with yourself, who am I? And you will realize, I am not. I'm even not. I'm nowhere. I'm nothing. And being nothing, there is 100% security. But when you become something, then that becoming will end. Because whenever there is causation, there is end. So you are beyond cause and effect. And when you go beyond cause and effect, you are the eternal. You are the highest reality. You are the highest non-dual truth. And this non-dual truth you can experience right now, not after the video will end, and not after a while listen and then we'll do experiment. No, just by being here, without escape, without trying to rationalize, analyze, just be here and now. Don't even try to watch your thoughts or watch the birds and trees. Your eyes will go naturally, automatically. Whenever some thing, the play of creation comes in front of you, and when you become that creation, there is no separate seer, there is no scene, because both becomes one. And you will see that the eyes are automatically going to see anything. But in this point I'm also wrong. The observation comes on its own. The bird will come to tell you is a story. The mountains will come. The trees, they will tell you your story, their own story to you. The fear will come, will tell you on its story. Whenever you don't react, you just let be, let go, then everything is going, because you are not interrupting anything. When you don't interrupt, everything pass with its own full story, full potential. Then you understand everything. And when you understand everything, then there is no illusion, there is no duality, that what is that and what is that, what is not. Thank you very much. For spirituality and meditation course, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. In this course, I am telling you there are 24 videos. What is present moment, awareness, meditation, suffering, fear, thought, freedom from thought, all these things. Together a guided meditation videos. A guided meditation videos which is ultimate meditation in these 24 videos. So my WhatsApp number 9773529489, giving in description too. You can go there and join this spirituality course and meditation course. Thank you very much.